So, Zuko using his sex aid. I call it that because he tends to hump it a lot. This is what he's doing. He's humping the perch below him and holding onto the actual thing. As you can see. He's been rude, but he doesn't think we know. Because before, Peaches used to stand on his back when he'd do it. I don't know if he's going to go and try and do it now. He might actually be trying to get to him to go on his back, which would be really funny if he actually does it now. I have a feeling that's what they're going to do. No. Oh, no. No, he's still going on it. Look at him. Yep. Yep, like I said, he gets on his back. And then they both... It's like the weirdest display, the weirdest trick they ever do. It's like he just sits on his back and like surfs on him for a second before. It always happens. He always falls off as well. He's probably going to go back and try again now. Watch. Hey, bud. Don't worry, no one's watching. No one's watching you. What's this? Oh, this is I'm just making a phone call. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Nobody saw you fall. There you go. Get back at it. So I need to move this out of the way. I put that in there the other day, and it literally disintegrated within like a few minutes. And I thought I put it down somewhere, but they'd eaten it so quickly that it literally just seemed to appear to have disappeared. Anyway, have a lovely day, everybody.